Guys, sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time. Today we're going to do a video on an update on Birds of the World. Yeah, and I finally got iMovie on this iPad so I could just do something else. Like, do it in segments, and here's the intro. Interesting. And anyways, yeah, it's up to let's see how many. It's a whole bunch of slides. See how much we're at so far. 578. And it's all gonna be in one video. Let's have enough enjoy. Enjoy. Also, I have my cousin's combo. I own one too. Okay, anyways, enough of that. Anyways, here's a penguin. Anyways, that's a wrap up for the intro. See you in the birds. To all those Barnaby Dixon fans, if you don't know what bird he is, he's this bird. The little grebe, or actually another name for it is dat chick. Alright, anyway, let's continue. The thing's supposed to be like, it's like it's a plastic thing, like a crack. Kagu and Sunburn. Kagu cannot fly. It can't fly. It just glides. That's really it. Sunburn, yeah, I can fly. I don't know what the heck that thing's supposed to be. And yeah, there's two. Yeah, recognize this bird. Comment if you do. Like if you don't. Dislike if you don't. Because it wouldn't make sense to like on something you don't know. I don't make sense. Okay. Only bird nerds are allowed to watch this. People who are interested in this video get to watch this, but people who aren't just don't even try. I just love birds. It used to be myself an instrument man, but now I'm going back to being a bird nerd. I think they're just a portrait of beauty. Piggies and doves don't have a lot done so far. And I'm definitely going to add more of them in the future. A lot back before. We were just standing outside doing nothing, sort of thing. And that's the call they make. Cuckoo. Thing there is alright, well, so a plane and hummingbird, here we go. Still in progress. I actually have species in real life and it goes on a boring story. Old grandpa's stories seem interesting. That's not funny. There he is again. That was my original cover for this presentation. This bird. Now it's the capercaillie. Okay, here's a woodpecker and toucan. Yeah, he does have little feathers on his tail. His tongue's thinner than his One of these woodpeckers on my pictures with you. American cop. Hey, I saw this thing at the alligator conference. Same place I saw the hornbill. I always saw like this to see his favorite. He didn't want to use it. With a possible version of that. Okay. Do 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 do. Called the Pest Quest of Dracula or Vampire or what kind. But that's also the only one. That's the actual book. How do these two look the same? They're different species. God. Then we got two more macaque species. Yeah, this thing's going endangered. This thing's going extinct, and it might already be extinct, but science has proven wrong. Again. And stuff. Oh, I own two of these sweet little things, and they live in a house, and this is the house that I live in currently, with two cats and a dog. Yeah, they must have a terrible life here. I don't know, ask them. Here's gonna be the video. Looking at asking, so are you? Not sick around with this dude. Oh boy, I had a lot of fun doing this chapter. Yeah, that's the Wilson's Bird of Paradise. And here's the Magnificent Bird of Paradise display. King Bird of Paradise display. And the Red Bird of Paradise display. Yeah, there's the black and brown sicklebill. There's a black-billed sicklebill with its display in beautiful old-timey artwork. The pale-billed sicklebill with its display and also in beautiful old-timey artwork. Yeah, the Superb Bird of Paradise is the one that does the smiley face. And then does the smiley face and then does the frowny face to keep the other one got all the quiet before he was discovered. Here's the Ribbon-tailed Strapia, Stephanie Strapia. Here's the Arfax Strapia. Yeah, that's actually what it looks like. And its display in old-timey artwork. And the Splendid Strapia. And its display in old-timey artwork. I know, they don't look the same, but they're the same. I mean, their tail looks the same, doesn't it? There's a female looking. Ooh, I like that little thing. Okay, don't do this for me. That's a new chapter added. That last set still definitely a work in progress, because I only got 2 J species. We need more J's. There's 15,000 species of 13 in the world. No, what, 11,000. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, that was it. I love this thing, and if it ever gets deleted, I always have these videos so they name delete. Anyways, that was that video. And want to hear a Columbus solo for the outro of thing? OKO. I will do so. Oh, yo. Alright, yeah, let's do it off screen. Hold my hand over the Columbus off screen. I'll add some music into this. Doesn't matter what it is. Even if it's a music that isn't music. Not even really leave the name in the description. I don't know. Okay, anyways, see ya. Bye. Adios. Sayonara. Larry say goodbye in Russian. And other languages too. Adios, amigos. Hola. Wait, no, that's it. Aloha.